just sold the Murano over there. Next day flip. About to get ready to go down this hill. Sold it for $22.50. Had 18 in it. So it's $4.50 in a day. Can't beat it. Could have got more, but man, I just decided to let it go. It was so fast of a flip, so I take my $4.50 and keep it moving. But I appreciate y'all watching my video. Oh, and by the way, I did sell that silver Expedition. I sold it for $1,500. The one I had for the longest, I sold that for $1,500. Just got my money back. So now I only got the Infinity QX 56. All right, what's going on YouTube? We got another car. This is a Malibu, 2010 Malibu. Nice and clean. Go ahead and check out the inside real quick. Nice and clean Malibu. Got a 180 on it. Got 180,000 miles. I've been driving it. Just bought this yesterday. I'll do a full walk around for y'all real quick. Nice car. This is the 4-cylinder. My rim is bent right there, but it holds air. See, I got my stuff in here. But cranks right up, runs fine. No check engine light or nothing like that. Oh, and the door. Somebody tried to get in the door, so got a little gap here. And I actually fixed the door. So I bent the door back in place. So the door is good to go now. Everything lines up. No more gap. But this mug cranks right up. Let me go ahead and crank it up for y'all. Cranks right up. The AC works. The heat works. Everything's good to go in this bad boy. Like I say, it just got this little separation right there. But other than that, it's a pretty good car. I got the aux, but I'm just using my little Bluetooth thing because I don't know. I didn't have a aux cord. Well, I couldn't find it. But just put 12 bucks in here. I need to turn that light off. But that's pretty much it. 2010 Chevy Malibu.